Division 5, top-seeded Prairie du Chien hosting Brookfield Academy. First quarter, Prairie du Chien's Abe Amundsen handing off to Blake Thierry for a 10-yard touchdown. He'd have 106 yards on the ground and 2 scores. Second quarter, Brookfield Academy attempting a comeback. Andrew Schmidt's pass is going to be tipped and then intercepted by Nick McCulloch. This turnover would lead to this, another Prairie du Chien touchdown. Amundsen connecting with Brady Lenzendorf on a 10-yard scoring toss, extending the lead, and Prairie du Chien wins large, 56-0 is the score there.